warm welcome to News in Flash column of 17 July 2021. It is presented to you by Law Seco. I am Ankita Parida. Now let's proceed with this session. Danish Siddiqui, a very famous photojournalist and photographer, has been killed in Afghanistan. He had contributed a lot in journalism in India and abroad. Danish Siddiqui was also a Pulitzer Award winning photojournalist, and he was killed during the covering of a clash between Afghan security forces and Taliban fighters near the border crossing Pakistan. He was based in Mumbai and had graduated with a degree in economics from Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi University. He also had a degree in mass communication from the AJK Mass Communication Research Center at the same institute. He began his career as a television news correspondent and later joined Reuters as an intern in 2010. Moving to the next news item, School Innovation Ambassador Training Program. So, the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan and Tribal Affairs Minister Arjun Munda today has jointly launched the School Innovation Ambassador Training Program. This program aims to train 50,000 school teachers on innovation, entrepreneurship, design thinking, product development, and idea generation. The program has been designed by Innovation Cell of the Ministry of Education and AICTE for school teachers, and the training will be given in online mode. Moving to the next news item, we have lost the veteran actress Surekha Sikri. Veteran actress Surekha Sikri died following a cardiac arrest in Mumbai yesterday. The 75 years old actress was suffering from complication arising out of second brain stroke. She was an alumni of Aligarh Muslim University and National School of Drama, and also she was awarded with three national awards, and she was also recipient of the Sangeet Natak Academy Award. Moving to the next news item, memorandum of understanding signed between Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda ITRA and Government of Gujarat. Through this MOU, all the institutions functioning in the Ayurveda campus of Jamnagar have been brought under umbrella of Institute of Training and Research in Ayurveda ITRA, the only institution under the Ministry of Ayush that has been accorded the status of Institute of National Importance. It is hoped that in the field of Ayurveda, it will be easier to prepare new teaching, medical, and research methodology, and also study research progress will be intensified, expanding the scope of Ayurveda education and research. Moving to the next news, it is a new development about the Krishna and Godavari River Management Board. So, the Ministry of Jal Shakti, through gazetted notification, has notified the jurisdiction of Godavari River Management Board and Krishna River Management Board, and it would provide authority and power to the two boards in terms of administration, regulation, operation, and maintenance of listed projects in Godavari and Krishna River in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act 2014 contains provision for effective management of river water in the states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, and based on section 85 of APRA 2014, the central government has exercised its power to constitute to the two river management board effectively from 2nd June. This board will look into administration, regulation, maintenance, operation of such projects on Godavari and Krishna River as may be notified by the central government. Here, the constitution of Godavari and Krishna River Management Boards and the constitution of Apex Council for supervision of functioning of the boards is laid down in this act. So this was all for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you.